Welcome back to the cafeteria. Today I am making loaded fries. I'm making steak, shrimp, chicken, broccoli, bacon, loaded fries. So I'm going to start off by adding some olive oil to my skillet, which is on medium heat. And I'm going to start out by cooking my steak first. And I want it to be well done, so I'm going to cook it about 5 minutes on each side. And then I'm going to move on to my chicken and my shrimp. Once my steak is done, I'm going to take it out of the skillet and set it on my cutting board to let it rest before I cut it. Now, moving on to the chicken and the shrimp, I'm going to cook the chicken and the shrimp at the same time. But the shrimp is going to get done before the chicken because shrimp doesn't take long to cook. So I'm going to cook the shrimp about 3 minutes on each side, and then the chicken I'm going to make sure that's well done, so maybe about 6 minutes on each side. Now, all of my meat is ready, and I'm adding my bacon on the side as well. I cooked that ahead of time in the oven, and now my fries are done too, because while I was cooking my steak, I was cooking my fries. So I'm just going to season my fries with a little bit of salt. Here is the cheese, sour cream, and broccoli that I'm using, and I'm just going to put this whole bag of broccoli in the microwave because it's going to steam in the bag. I'll cook it for 5 minutes, and this is what it looks like. And now for the next step, I'm just going to cut everything up into small pieces because I want a little of everything in every bite. So for the cheese, you can cook it on top of the stove, just warm it in a pot, or you can do it in the microwave. This is what it looked like when I warmed mine up in the microwave, just for a few minutes. And this is what my sour cream looks like. So I'm going to start off by putting my sour cream on my fries first. Then I'm just going to go back and forth in between my meats just a little bit. I'm going to cover it with cheese, and then I'm going to add more of my meat, and then I'm going to garnish. While I was putting this together, I almost forgot my broccoli. Don't forget your broccoli like I almost did. So I'm going to go back and forth with meat and cheese, and then I'm going to put broccoli too. And to make sure I get everything nice and covered, I'm going to add a little more cheese on top of that broccoli. Now I'm going to garnish with some green onion and some crushed red pepper, and I am ready to eat. This was so good. This isn't the healthiest meal, but you got to treat yourself sometime. So look at that. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.